Okay, we're going to do number 9 from our review. Since there's no equal sign here, what we're trying to do is add fractions. So we need to know what our common denominator is. And to do that, it would be best to go ahead and factor your two denominators to see what is going to take to multiply to get them. So this one, when we factor, we got to see what can multiply to get positive 3 but add to get 4. And that is going to be x plus 1 and x plus 3. Over here, this one is actually a difference of squares. So we're going to have x plus 3 and we're going to have an x minus 3. Now with these two denominators, I see they both have an x plus 3 in common. So we definitely need one of those. We also have an x plus 1 and we have an x minus 3. So we need all three of those items to be our common denominator. So we're going to have x plus 1, x plus 3, and x minus 3. That is our common denominator. This first fraction has 1 and 3. It needs a negative 3. So we're going to be multiplying the top with x minus 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and FOIL that. That will leave me with an x squared minus x minus 6. And then over here, this second fraction is in need of the x plus 1. So we're going to multiply the negative 5x into that. And that's going to give us negative 5x squared minus 5x. And the last thing all we need to do is add our like terms. So we have positive x squared and a negative 5x squared, which equals, let me move that right there, negative 4x squared. We have negative x and negative 5x, so that's going to be negative 6x. And then we have our constant right here, negative 6. And that's going to all be over x plus 1, x plus 3, and x minus 3. If I can get it to fit on there. There we go. And that will be our answer. There were some people that wanted to pull out on the numerator a negative 2. That is a good answer, so if you wanted to do that, you can.